The question lingering on the minds of skincare enthusiasts is Cosrx truly worth the hype? With its cult favorite status and a plethora of products garnering rave reviews, the intrigue surrounding Cosrx in the beauty community is undeniable. From the celebrated Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence to the acclaimed pimple patches, the brand has carved a niche for itself. As a consumer navigates the vast sea of skincare options, the debate over whether Cosrx lives up to its reputation as a skincare game changer or is simply riding the wave of trends becomes increasingly relevant. So in this video, we're diving into why Cosrx is worth the hype. Hello. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. And if you're new here, I hope you like my vibe and maybe subscribe to my channel. I like to make beauty videos, particularly skincare, and also some fashion and philosophical videos if you're into that as well. So in this video, we're going to dive into what snail mucin is, the history of snail mucin in skincare, snail mucin skincare benefits, and also how to use the Cosrx and Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence the right way and how I incorporate it in my skincare routine. So I have created timestamps so you can skip to whatever topic that interests you right away. I'm not here to waste anybody's time, and it is in my description box. So let's begin with what is snail mucin. So snail mucin is a unique skincare ingredient derived from the mucus secreted by snails. Widely recognized for its beneficial properties, snail mucin is rich in glycoproteins, hyaluronic acid, glycosaminoglycans, excuse my pronunciation, growth factors, and peptides. These components contribute to its hydrating, soothing, and skin renewing qualities. Snail mucin is known to promote skin regeneration, enhance elasticity, and aid in scar healing, making it a popular choice in skincare products. Despite its initial unconventional appeal, skin mucin has gained widespread acceptance in the beauty industry for its ability to address various skin concerns and contribute to a healthier, more radiant complexion. So the history of snail mucin in skincare. So the use of snail mucin in skincare traces its roots back into the Asian civilization, with ancestral evidence suggesting its early adoption in Greece. Legend has it that Hippocrates, the ancient Greek physician, utilized crushed snails to alleviate skin inflammations. However, the modern incorporation of snail mucin into skincare gained prominence in South Korea in the early 2000s. So Korean beauty brands renowned for their innovative formulation introduced snail mucin infused products, making a significant shift into the beauty landscape. Brands like Misha pioneered the trend, launching snail mucin based creams and serums that quickly gained popularity. The skincare community was captivated by the ingredients' purported benefits, such as hydration, skin regeneration, and anti-aging properties. Since then, snail mucin has become a staple in global skincare routines, with its widespread recognition and positive reviews, solidifying its status as coveted ingredient in the ever-evolving world of beauty. So now let's get into the snail mucin skincare benefits. So why do we use this in skincare? Like, why has it gained so much popularity? There must be a reason for that, right? Now let's get into that. So one of the benefits that is very important to me as a dry skin girly is hydration. So one of the primary benefits of snail mucin is its ability to provide intense hydration to the skin. The mucin helps to lock in the moisture, preventing water loss and maintaining optimal hydration levels. This particular benefits for individuals with dry skin like me, as it helps alleviate dryness and dehydration. So snail mucin is rich in glycoproteins, hyaluronic acid, and excuse my pronunciation, by glycosaminoglycans and other moisture retaining compounds. These ingredients help to alleviate dry skin and hydrate the skin, making it plump and supple. So another important benefit is regeneration and repair. So snail mucin contains growth factors, as I mentioned before, glycoproteins and enzymes that supports the skin regeneration and repair. It may help stimulate the production of collagen, elastin, which are essential proteins for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. And it also has anti-aging properties, which is so beneficial for those that are combating anti-aging. So the growth factors and antioxidants found in snail mucin can contribute to anti-aging effects by promoting skin cell turnover, so reducing the appearance of fine lines and supporting overall skin health. Anti-inflammatory. So snail mucin has anti-inflammatory properties that may help soothe and calm irritated skin. This makes it suitable for individuals with sensitive or redness-prone skin. Scar healing. Some studies suggest that snail mucin may aid in scar healing by promoting the regeneration of damaged tissues. This can be particularly beneficial for reducing the appearance of scars and blemishes. And my favorite, brightening. So snail mucin contains components that may contribute to a more even skin tone and help fade away dark spots, leading to a brighter complexion. It's also great for protection from environmental stressors. So the mucin composition includes antioxidants that can help protect the skin from free radicals and environmental stressors, such as pollution and UV radiation. It's important to note that while many people find snail mucin beneficial for their skin, individual responses can vary. Before incorporating the new skincare ingredient into your routine, it's advisable to perform a patch test and to ensure compatibility, and consult with a dermatologist if you have any concerns or specific skin conditions. But more into how to incorporate it into your skincare routine if you have dry skin like me, or if you have normal or oily, it can be beneficial for you to know how I do it. And yeah, let's get into that. So let's get into my morning skincare routine with Cosrx. So the snail mucin product that I'm using today is Cosrx Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. It has gained popularity in the skincare community for its effective formulation and the potential benefit it offers to the skin. So during my skincare routine, I'll talk about the reason why this product is considered good for the skin. So here is me with clean face and no products on, and usually my skin be super dry in the morning, like with no products on, and when I've cleansed my skin. But since I've been using this Cosrx Snail Mucin, my skin is not that dry before I apply my products, which is really unique for my skin. But unfortunately, this does not apply to my lips, so I'm starting off this routine with moisturizing my lips. Moving on, I'll begin with prepping my skin with this hydrating toner. It's from a Korean brand called Just Cosmetics, and all the products will be added in the description box, but this will help other products to penetrate my skin. It will also help hydrate and plump up your skin. This product has niacinamide 2%, hyaluronic acid, and amino acid complex, and it also has Camellia capotena, which is a flower extract and helps soothe your skin. So I wanted to talk about what is so special with the Cosrx products. So the essence contain a high concentration of snail mucin, which is 96%, which provides intense hydration to the skin. The mucin's moisturizing properties help to improve skin texture and maintain hydration levels, leading to a plump and... So after I prep my skin with that toner, I like to go in with my vitamin C serum, which will be my active of today. And I like to use vitamin C in the morning because it has so many benefits. If you'd like to know more about the benefits, I've created so many videos about it. My skincare routines, I can add them in the description box. Another reason why I love the Cosrx product so much is because it is soothing and calming. So the anti-inflammatory properties of snail mucin can help soothe and calm irritated or sensitive skin. This makes the essence suitable for individuals with redness or skin condition prone to inflammation. It's also great when you have so hard with your actives. So this is a great way to soothe your skin when you have used harsh actives. So moving on to my favorite part, and actually using the Cosrx essence. And I do that after I have prepped my skin and after I have applied my active, and I just had to do this. It's so fun. I always see other people do this online. Even though it looks sticky, many users appreciate the lightweight and non-sticky texture of Cosrx Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. It absorbs quickly into the skin, making it easy to incorporate into both morning and evening skincare routines without feeling heavy or greasy, which is why I love this. So next I go in with their moisturizer, which feels so good on my skin. And again, I'm like a kid, I love doing this. But since it's winter time, I like to double moisturize. So I start with applying this Cosrx all-in-one cream, and then I'll add another moisturizer on top. So this is great if you have dry skin. I highly recommend double moisturizing during winter time. And the Cosrx Snail Mucin Power Essence and the cream has simple and minimal ingredient lists, which is why I really like it. It makes it suitable for individuals with sensitive skin. This can be beneficial for those who prefer skincare products without unnecessary additives or potential irritants, and it's also great when you have used like harsh actives. So this will be great to soothe your skin. So my next cream that I'm going to put on top is this vitamin C cream from Face Theory. It's a really thick cream and is perfect for the winter and morning time since it has vitamin C in it. So another reason why I love this Cosrx Snail Mucin Essence is because regular use of this essence may contribute to a more even skin tone and improved complexion. It can help fade away dark spots and hyperpigmentation, resulting in a brighter and more radiant skin. So I'm going to conclude this video with applying SPF, of course. And this one is from Inkylist, and I like that it doesn't leave white cast, but it's not my favorite SPF. So one last thing that I want to say about the Cosrx Snail Mucin is that the versatility. The essence is versatile and can be used for various skin types, including oily, combination, and dry skin. It is non-comedogenic, which means that it won't clog your pores, and making it suitable for those with acne-prone skin as well. So, is the Cosrx Snail Mucin, or is the Snail Mucin overall worth the hype? Yes, it is worth the hype. I highly recommend anyone with any skin type to try it out. So I really hope this was helpful for anyone shopping for Snail Mucin, or anyone that is just curious about it. If it was, please give me a thumbs up. And my apologies for being inactive, but I've been having so much schoolwork and life, but I'm going to try my best to be more consistent, and another video will be coming up this week or next week. And thank you so much for watching if you reached this far, and if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe if you want to know more, if you want to watch more skincare videos. And also I'll be having some fashion videos, and I haven't made a philosophical one in a while. But thank you so much for watching, and again, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not. And if you like this video, you'll probably like these videos as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.